Best out of West. The Best out of West project helps us how to make useful and beautiful things from materials that are usually thrown away. It teaches us the importance of recycling, reusing, and reducing waste to protect our environment. By using items like old newspapers, plastic bottles, cardboards, boxes, ice cream sticks, and bottle caps, we can create wonderful things such as pin stands, flower pots, wall hangings, and showpieces. This project encourages creativity, imagination, and environmental awareness among students. It reminds us that waste is not always useless. With a little effort and creativity, it can be turned into something valuable and attractive. Through this activity, we learn to save resources, reduce pollution, and make our surroundings clean and green. Truly, waste is not waste until we waste it.